very few people realize how much the high-power microwaves are used in various devices.
It takes just a quick tour of Mega Industries' busy plant to realize the use of microwaves is both vast and varied. The components built here span a wide spectrum of purpose, from nuclear fusion and cancer research to simply cooking bacon.
Whether it's radar applications to do air traffic control, of course there's the military applications, but then there's a high energy physics where they using these beams to study, the fundamental properties of matter.
In nearly 3 decades of business, Mega has become renowned as a world leader in the high-power microwave industry. The science so sophisticated, these units so specialized, they're built nowhere else.
We'll work with power levels that are so high that no one else in the world will even attempt to do this, but we will.
And with a growing list of global customers, Mega needs more skilled workers, recently adding a second shift with plans to create a third. But as technically challenging as this work can be, finding and training a workforce can be a challenge in itself.
We like actually specifically to bring in younger people, teach them the skills, utilize their engineering background, but develop them to understand the specific type of products that we have to make.
We've never run out of work myself.
Tully Matusko is one of those younger people joining Mega right out of high school.
It's fun and challenging. It can be frustrating at times, but once you figure it out, it's like, oh, got it, and good to go.
Safe to say the untrained eye might never guess what this array of metal fabrication is used for.
This is actually an outer conductor for a piece of coax. Now this particular coax functions the same way that your cable TV coax functions.
It is, in fact, some of the most elaborate microwave machinery in the world, helping to power an industry that these folks will tell you is changing the world. And in doing so, keeping this little plant in Gorham, Maine, humming.
The level of science that they're starting to uncover, especially with drug-related technologies, is so vast, and the need for these devices is very, very great.
Now, why those are open?
As we said, there is a wide range of use for microwaves, but the majority of the work, they say, goes to scientific research. Maine's Total Weather and News at 5 starts right now.